Welcome to Andy's Garage. I'm Andy Phillips. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life system in your GM vehicle. And basically this is the system that controls the change engine oil light that will appear on your cluster panel. So let's go ahead and get started. So you're driving your vehicle and you see this light come on your cluster panel and you wonder what that is. Basically, that's your oil life system, and it calculates when to change your engine oil and filter based on the vehicle's use. Anytime that you change your oil, you're going to need to reset that so that way it calculates it properly. Now, just changing your oil and filter is not enough to reset that. You need to actually do a few steps that I'm going to show you right now to actually reset that system. That way it can start calculating it properly after you get your engine oil and your filter changed. So here are the steps. You want to turn the ignition key to run without starting the vehicle. Next, you want to press the accelerator pedal all the way down 3 times within a 5-second period. 1, 2, 3. It'll flash, and then it should go out. There you go. Now the system has been reset. All right, well, there you have it. The oil life system has now been completely reset, and it'll start calculating properly and let you know the next time that you need to change your engine oil and filter. Now, keep in mind, only reset this system when you actually do get your oil and filter changed. That way it doesn't mess up the calculations on that. So that pretty much wraps up this video on how to reset an oil life system on a GM vehicle and get that change engine oil light to go out. Please send me any questions, any comments. I would love to hear from you. As always, I appreciate all the support out there. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time.